Hi, in this episode I'm going to give you a brief overview about how ShoutOut works. Once you log in, you'll get to the dashboard here where you can control pretty much everything you need to do on ShoutOut. To build a template, you press the add button here, or you can edit templates using edit or quick edit, where you can make small changes to your template like text or music choice. You access the contributor link or recording page via the record button. You can click on there, and you can either go to the contributor link, that will be the link that your participants will use, or you can upload multiple clips and images using upload clips here. To watch your videos, you go to the watch button, and here you can see some compilations, you can see some finished videos, and you can see some clips. So clips can be really easily edited, and actually videos can be edited very easily as well. If you just press trim clip, you can trim it. You can see those black bars are where I trimmed it before. So I can select the length of my clip. I can just play the in to out. And that's a clip edited or shortened, ready to build into a compilation video. You can also mute the sound on the clip, and you can mute the music on the ShoutOut template as well. So for example, if you want to upload a video that has its own music attached, if you press this button, it will mean that any ShoutOut music you define in the template gets lowered for that, just for that clip, which is a really useful function. And you can also mute the sound on the clip. For example, if you want some shots just of scenery that you don't want to hear the camera sound, you can mute that there. And you can also remake videos as well. So on the finished videos, you can click on remake video, retrim it, change those other parameters you've done before, and when you've pressed done, that will remake that video. So that's really useful, for example, if one of your participants hasn't trimmed their clip just right, or they've muted the sound when they shouldn't have, or they've added music to it somehow, so you need to kind of lower the music on the template. So the other important thing about ShoutOut is making compilation videos. So it's a really good tool to make videos very easily, even if you don't know how to edit. So to do that, you go to the compilation page, which I can access here or from the dashboard. So I'm just going to do it from here, and I can start building my compilation. So I can select videos. So I'm going to select this one. I'll select this one. So I've selected two videos. So even though they're complete videos, it will take off the music that was already on them and add the music from your defined template to make that compilation. And I can also add some video clips. So I'll just add a few video clips here to make my compilation. I can reorder them. So I can just reorder that there. And I can also trim those clips, again, as I showed you before, in the compilation page, to really kind of fine tune how your compilation will look. So I've just trimmed that there. So the idea with ShoutOut really is it's like you create building blocks, and those building blocks you add together to make a compilation video. So if I press the tick button here, it will go and create a compilation video. That can take a few minutes depending on the length of the compilation video, but it's a really powerful editing tool for ShoutOut building these compilation videos. There's multiple ways of using compilations in terms of testimonial videos, for vlogging, hundreds of ways to use it. So now I'm going to go to my video page, and that compilation should have been done by now, which it is. So I can play you this compilation. You can see how quickly we did it.
Hey, I'm so excited that we're at the Broadcast Awards. It looks amazing, a little bit fancy, a little bit glitzy, so I hope you enjoy it.
This is my ShoutOut video. So a very strange selection of clips there, but you get the idea. So once you build the template, which we'll show you how to do in another episode, all the compilations are made with that template, the beginning and end titles, the music, and the screen overlay. So the idea is with ShoutOut is that once you've built your template, which is very quick to do, you can make these episodic videos very, very quickly and easily. So it enables you to either make them automatically or build them yourself. But either way, it's a great way to make videos very quickly and easily, as I said. So let me talk you through some other aspects of ShoutOut. I'm going to go back to the home page. So we've seen how videos work. We've seen the recording page. The test button just enables you to make a test video to check your template. It's a very useful function. You can just create a test. It makes a test video so you can check how that works. The editing functions will be covered more in the template builder section. And the other thing you can do is change your social media settings. So for example, you can type in your generic social settings or hashtags that appear in all videos. You can still change them or edit them if you want, but it's a great way, for example, if you want participants to share a link, if you add in those hashtags, when they share a link, all your hashtags and titles will be automatically added to the video. The invite page is a way for you to invite participants. You can either send a quick invite, which opens up an email in your browser. You can email yourself a custom ShoutOut invite, including the tutorial videos, or you can email yourself a QR code. And once you've emailed them to yourself, you can forward those to your participants very easily. In this section here, you can copy the link to send to your participants or copy a QR code that you can use throughout your event, for example. And I'm just going to show you now the organizational page. So this is where you set up, for example, the name of your company, the email address, and you can upload your logo as well. The other thing you can do on the organization page is you can link ShoutOut with your social media accounts. This is a very powerful feature. There's two ways to share in ShoutOut. You can share a link, or you can share natively once you've paired your accounts. Currently you can pair with Twitter, you can pair with YouTube, or you can pair with Facebook. So once you've paired that, then ShoutOut will access your accounts directly, so you don't even need to be logged in to share on those accounts. I'm just going to show you how you do that by going back to the video page. To share natively, you just click on one of the icons, you add in the title. Some of this will be pre-populated as I showed you in the social page, but once you've added the title, you press share and it automatically shares. It's a really, really powerful tool. So moving back now to the dashboard, I can show you the accounts page. This is your information. This is unique to your account. And then I can show you the user page, which is another really great part of ShoutOut. You can have multiple users with different permissions. So that was a brief overview about how ShoutOut works. It's a really, really comprehensive tool, but very, very simple to use. And after using it for a bit, you'll get the hang of it really quickly. Thank you.